Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off a business account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom navigation bar. Click on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Tap on Account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Switch Account Type. Now from the pop-up menu, tap on Switch to Personal Account. Again tap on Switch to Personal Account. And you will turn off your business account on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to turn off a business account on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.